natural flow. He's the steady hand everywhere we go. He's honest and open, his heart is a book I read. I see his love in the way that he looks at me. He chooses me daily, he's present and real, sharing with me every thought, every feel. He's my best friend, my partner, my solid ground, the most beautiful love that I've ever found. He's a genuine soul, he's committed and true. Everything he does it for us too. He's spending his time right here by my side, with nothing to fear and nothing to hide. I make him so happy, I'm his peace and his light. He holds me so close every morning and night. He's high effort, loyal and proud to be mine. He adores every inch of me, we're perfectly aligned. Why is he always so eager to see me? When did our life together get so easy and dreamy? Why does he tell me I'm his greatest prize? I see the devotion deep in his eyes. Why is he so consistent, kind every day? Because loving me is his favorite way. He's a genuine soul, he's committed and true. Everything he does it for us too. He's spending his time right here by my side, with nothing to fear and nothing to hide. I make him so happy, I'm his peace and his light. He holds me so close every morning and night. He's high effort, loyal and proud to be mine. He adores me entirely, we're perfectly aligned. I'm adored, I'm cherished, I'm safely held in a love where all of my dreams have excelled. He's the man of my prayers, he's honest and sweet. I make his life feel truly complete. I just lean back and let the love pour in. This is the life where we both always win. I got this now.